In a peaceful village surrounded by lush green fields and a sparkling river, two brothers, Hassan and Asif, were the pride of their community. They were known for their hard work, laughter, and the strong bond they shared. Together, they cultivated their father's land, which provided enough for them to live comfortably. One year, however, the weather turned harsh. The rains were late, and the crops began to fail. This led to a small disagreement over the water from their shared canal. Hassan felt Asif was using more water for his fields, while Asif believed Hassan was taking the fertile portions of the land for himself. What began as small complaints soon escalated. Angry words were exchanged, and the two brothers, once inseparable, decided to part ways. They split the land in half and refused to speak to each other. To make matters worse, Hassan built a small dirt wall along the river that ran between their lands, symbolizing their divide. One day, a wandering carpenter knocked on Hassan's door. "Do you have any work for me?" he asked. Hassan, still bitter, replied, "Yes. Build me the tallest fence you can along that river. I never want to see Asif again." The carpenter nodded and got to work. All day, he sawed, hammered, and built. Hassan watched from a distance, imagining a tall fence cutting off all ties with his brother. By evening, the carpenter called out, "The work is done." But when Hassan arrived, he was shocked to see not a fence, but a beautiful wooden bridge spanning the river, connecting the two lands. Before Hassan could react, Asif appeared on the other side. He had seen the bridge and hurried over. Tears welled up in his eyes as he said, "Hassan, after all we've been through, you still built this bridge? I was wrong, brother. I'm sorry for everything." Hassan, overwhelmed by Asif's words and the sight of the bridge, realized the folly of their fight. Without hesitation, he embraced his brother. "I've missed you, Asif. Let's forget the past and start again." The carpenter watched the reunion with a smile. As he packed up his tools to leave, Hassan and Asif ran to thank him. "Why did you build a bridge instead of a fence?" Hassan asked. The carpenter replied with a gentle smile, "Because I know that what you truly needed wasn't separation, but connection. Fences keep people apart, but bridges bring them together." From that day on, the brothers worked together again, stronger than